Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the E15 error. But first, what does the E15 error mean? The E15 error code is a dishwasher code that indicates the dishwasher's safety switch has detected water trapped in the base of the appliance. The leak could be in the water tank, the hoses, the sump basin, or a broken fixture. Thanks to its anti-flooding feature, the dishwasher stops working once error E15 appears to prevent excess water from flooding your kitchen. The following are some of the common causes of the Bosch Dishwasher E15 error. Usage of excess dishwashing soap or detergent. Unlike water, dishwashing detergent is added manually. Therefore, it's easy to use more detergent than is needed. This causes the washing cycle to produce more suds than the dishwasher can handle, causing the water and suds to flow to the base of the dishwasher. This activates the safety switch, resulting in the E15 error. Broken dishwasher fixture. For the dishwasher to run optimally, the fixtures must be in good shape to ensure the free and smooth flowing of water. It is usual for the machine to experience wear and tear after some time, such as corrosion. At times, a crack can be formed due to impact from something heavy. This results in water seeping through the cracks to the bottom of the machine, triggering the safety switch. Faulty dishwasher water tank or hose. The hose supplies the machine with clean water to clean the dishes, while the water tank stores the right amount of water needed to complete a wash cycle. Improper installation or sealing of these fixtures might cause water to leak and to flow to the machine's base, triggering the safety switch. Now let's look at the best solutions that you can apply to fix the Bosch Dishwasher E15 error. Wash out detergent buildup or excess suds. To remove excess suds or detergent buildup, do the following. Run an empty dishwashing cycle. Select the hottest water setting possible for the best results. To avoid a similar problem in the future, refer to the dishwashing soap packaging to be sure of how much detergent you should use. Replace broken fixtures. If you realize that a broken fixture causes the error, replacing it with a new one is the best. To replace it, do this. Use the user manual to show you the fixture's location. Remove the closest panel to access the fixture. Remove the screws that hold the fixture in place, replacing the faulty water tank or hose. For a faulty water tank or hose, follow these steps. Inspect these two parts by removing the access panels on the sides of the machine. Touch the entire hose and water tank length to feel the water and identify the leak using your fingertips. Once the leak has been identified, replace the part. Remember to use the user manual for guidance. Thanks for watching.